We haven't installed the engine today. We've just been doing the modification to change the water pump outlet, and of course the significance of taking the engine out of the box is so we can get all the accessories which have been put onto the aeroplane. I'll take it onto the firewall, and then the firewall is ready for the engine to be mounted on Monday morning. We've got the fuse box on, we've got the oil bottle on, we've got the solenoid on, we've got the heater hoses put through with the grommets, and we've got the front end all nicely connected. So yeah, that's ready Monday morning. The engine, which is over there, comes through and it'll be stuck on the front here, and then the fun begins. We'll do some more videos on the installation of that. Have a good weekend, Mike. Cheers.
How's it going, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to MojoGrip. I am still home. My plans still shot right now. We got to stay grounded because of the outbreak. But I needed to make this video actually a while back, but I'm up and about today, so I thought I'll make somewhat freestyle video to talk about the Build Assist program, which I promised I would make a video about. So a Build Assist program, if you're new to this channel, again, my name is Mike. I'm a private pilot, and I'm currently building an experimental airplane called the Sling TSi. And with that build, I'm going through what's called a Build Assist program. Now, normally when you opt to build an airplane, you buy a kit and then you can build it by yourself in your garage or with friends. But that requires you to have, the space for it, requires you to have the right tools, and also requires you to make the time, because it will take you at least 1,000 to 2,000 hours to build a full-scale airplane, and that could be calculated. That's 3 to 5 years on average. So for me, what I decided to do was opt for a Build Assist program, and what this does, it basically helps me outsource a lot of those things I just mentioned: the space, the expertise, the tools needed, and so on and so forth. Now, if you have not been following the build of the Sling TSi, please look in the playlist link that I'm leaving below. I have a series of videos that covers just about everything we've done so far. Okay, now through those videos, I've had a few of you either message me or just comment in the videos, and it seems like we're somewhat confused as to what the program is. So I'll give an example. Typically, when I give an update on the build, you see the airplane has been built to a significant extent, or it seems that way. Okay, so that's because build is going on. So, like, for example, right now I'm home in Georgia, and the build facility is all the way in Los Angeles. So as I'm here talking to you on video, the build is still going on. All right, and legally, what you're required to do by the law set by the FAA is, as a builder or owner builder, you are supposed to complete a certain amount of the build, which I'm making sure that I'm doing, and I'm in contact with the facility almost every day. Okay, I get updates on what's going on. So I wanted to explain that process for you guys. And if you think about it, that's what you're paying for. You're paying to get more hands on deck. What a Build Assist does, I think the best advantage of it is that, one, obviously you get all the resources that you need to build the plane, but also you buy time. Okay, you're buying time to help you, get the plane done quicker and faster, but also you're buying time in terms of, if you were building this by yourself, you've got to go through instructions, you have to read, and you're still doing that with the Build Assist, but understand that when you're working with a team or people who have already done this many times, those instructions, you go through them much quicker because they understand the process and they just explain to you, and then you guys get to work. So those are the benefits of having a Build Assist. And as I've explained in the past video, it's sort of difficult to film, and at least for an amateur like myself, You know, it's difficult to film and build at the same time. That's why my best way of capturing a lot of what's going on is to put a GoPro on, and so that way you guys see from my point of view what's going on. Except when I upload a video for, you know, for whatever we've done, the video is 10-15 minutes long, whereas the work we've done took all day, 8 to 12 hours. So I don't want to upload 8 to 12 hours worth of clip. Okay, so that's just to erase some of the confusion there. That's how a build assist program works. And again, if you think about it, that's what you're paying for. This is not, you know, chicken change. You're paying a couple of $1,000s to have this program. I remember when I was initially shopping for the build assist program, I've gotten quoted up to $80,000. So depending on the airplane that you're building and the crew that you're working with, it can hit that high. I've heard even more than that. I've heard up to $100,000 in some cases. So it can cost you a pretty penny. But what you're paying for is the savings in time, but also having the right resources. So if any of you have been asking questions about the build assist, this is how it works. And in the future, what I plan to do is just give you guys a video update on what's going on with the plane. I actually have some right now I'm gonna edit and put up. As I've said, right now I should actually be at the build facility. I had planned to be there, but I'm grounded. I can't go anywhere. Even if I wanted to, my wife would not let me. So I do apologize for that, but stay tuned. I will have more video update on the airplane build. Things are moving quick and they're moving fast, so you need to stay tuned and keep up. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for spending time with me. Again, my name is Mike. If you're new to the channel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next video.